Alright. Let's get started. Tonight's episode, we're gonna draw Aladjinn from Dragon Ball AF. And to be honest, it's my first time drawing Aladjinn. And I've heard a lot about him. For starters, he's the one. Well, a special consequence was predicted from the use of King Piccolo's Dragon Balls, and an old demon was brought back to life. He calls himself Aladjinn. And, well, he was one of the elite gods. And more, he was also the creator of Majin Buu. And he lent it to Babadi's father as a trade for assistance. I don't know for what exactly. Alright, here's the spike sticking out of the back of his forehead. I think that looks like Aladjinn will possess Rigor and use his power against the Saiyans. Another. Alright, here's his arm. Another known fact is known about him. Even though Majin Buu's original form was Kid Buu, Aladjinn called Majin Kid Buu as his son. That was actually pretty sweet to call him by that name. Now we draw the pentagon on his belt. There's his pants. And finished. That's how you draw Aladjinn. He looks awesome. Anyway, I'm proud of you all got to see me draw this character, the original creator of Majin Buu. I'm proud of you all arrived here. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And can you let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below? I'm always here, and I don't want to stop. Stegosaurus, see you later.